Alright, what up, y'all? So, I'm in the Jag today. Update. I got a bunch of hoses swapped out. This thing still got some sort of leak. I'm thinking it might be leaking into the cylinders because I don't see anything leaking under the hood. I don't see no spots or none of that. But, so yeah, that's where I've been at with this. I ain't drove in about a month. But anyway, I'm taking it to the car wash because it's super dirty from the birds been lighting it up. But so yeah, all of that. But anyway, I didn't know you could fold the mirrors in. Like I on YouTube looking around, I finally found somebody that did it. So you just press both of these buttons right here and the mirrors fold in. So pretty dope. Because the last time I took it to the car wash, go through there and they'll flip the mirrors all off or mess up something. So and it was doing the same thing on the Lexus. So at least I know I can drive around through or go to the car wash and not worry about them knocking my mirrors in. I can put them in before I get there. So pretty dope. But yeah, heading to the car wash, washing both cars today. And yeah, it's cold up here, so not doing it myself.